It's time we answer a question on your stock in a little segment we like to call Your Stock, Our Take. Buy, sell, or hold.
Well, Macro Enterprises, symbol MCR in the TSX Venture, they're currently trading around $3.35. Their market cap around $105 million, in that range. What does the company do? Well, Macro is a Canadian oil and gas based company. It provides pipeline and facilities construction and maintenance services to companies in the energy sector, primarily in Western Canada. The company, what has been driving the stock of late? Well, this past week on August 21st, Macro announced that it had commenced construction of the Aitken Creek section of the North Montney Mainline project. The section is about 67 kilometers of pipeline. Valued the contract at 200 million Canadian. Substantial completion is planned for Q1 of 2019. In the day following the announcement, the stock jumped 14%. Well, let's look at, from a fundamental perspective, what is the company doing right now? Actually, the fundamentals on paper in terms of revenues and current earnings do not paint a bright picture. Revenues were down in the first quarter 31% to 8.8 million. The company had a net loss of 2.3 million in the first quarter. And, these are not numbers that we look at typically and say this stock is great value right now. But what we do know is these numbers are really from delays in existing projects. The shares are up 61% or about 60% since May, the start of May. Their balance sheet is very healthy. There's plenty of cash and little debt. And there's strong reason to believe that when these contracts move forward, the cash flow will come in and the company will offer value. Now, Macro is not what we considered a long-term investment, as its services a cyclical and contract-driven business, but it is subject to significant volatility. But as a speculation on a number of large energy projects, such as the Trans Mountain and that Montney project, it is a viable option right now.